If you're facing an acid or chemical burn, don't wait. Immediate action is essential to minimize damage and prevent further complications. These types of burns can be extremely dangerous, and knowing what to do in those critical first moments can make all the difference. Act fast with these critical steps. The quicker you respond, the better the outcome will be for the injured person. Time is of the essence, and every second counts when dealing with chemical burns. Acid and chemical burns are serious and need quick action. These burns can penetrate deep into the skin and tissues, causing severe damage. The chemicals involved can continue to cause harm until they are thoroughly washed away. Whether it's from household cleaners or industrial chemicals, knowing first aid can make a huge difference. Many common household products, such as bleach, drain cleaners, and even some beauty products, contain harsh chemicals that can cause burns. In industrial settings, the risk is even higher due to the presence of stronger and more concentrated chemicals. First, call emergency services right away. It's important to get professional medical help on the way as soon as possible. While you wait for them to arrive, there are several steps you can take to help the injured person. While waiting for help, remove any contaminated clothing. This helps to prevent the chemical from continuing to burn the skin. Be sure to handle the clothing carefully to avoid getting the chemical on your own skin. But be careful not to touch the chemical with your hands. If possible, wear gloves or use a cloth to handle the contaminated clothing. This will help protect you from getting burned as well. Next, rinse the affected area with cool, running water for at least 20 minutes. This is one of the most important steps you can take. The water helps to dilute and wash away the harmful substance, reducing the severity of the burn. This helps to dilute and wash away the harmful substance. Make sure the water is cool, not cold, and keep the affected area under the running water for the full 20 minutes. This can be uncomfortable, but it's crucial for minimizing damage. Avoid applying creams or ointments. These can make things worse. Many creams and ointments can trap the chemical against the skin, preventing it from being washed away and potentially causing more damage. Just keep rinsing with water until help arrives. It's important to keep the affected area under running water for as long as possible. This will help to ensure that the chemical is thoroughly washed away and reduce the risk of further injury. Remember, fast action is crucial. The sooner you can start rinsing the burn and removing contaminated clothing, the better the outcome will be. Every second counts when dealing with chemical burns. Stay calm, follow these steps, and get medical help as soon as possible. You've got this. Keeping a clear head and following these steps can make a huge difference in the outcome for the injured person. Remember, your quick and calm response can help to minimize the damage and speed up the recovery process. It's also important to be aware of the potential hazards in your home and workplace. Read the labels on household cleaners and other chemical products, and be aware of the warning symbols. This can help you to avoid accidents and be better prepared in case of an emergency. Always use protective equipment when handling chemicals. This includes gloves, goggles, and other protective clothing. In industrial settings, make sure to follow all safety protocols and use the appropriate safety equipment. Store chemicals safely. Keep them out of reach of children and pets, and store them in a secure location. This can help to prevent accidents and ensure that chemicals are used safely. Consider taking a first aid course. Knowing how to respond in an emergency can make all the difference. First aid training can give you the skills and confidence you need to handle a variety of situations, including chemical burns. Keep a well-stocked first aid kit. Make sure it includes items such as gloves, bandages, and a first aid manual. Having these supplies on hand can help you to respond quickly and effectively in an emergency. Practice emergency drills. This can help you to stay calm and focused in an emergency. Make sure everyone in your household or workplace knows what to do in case of a chemical burn or other emergency. In summary, quick and calm action is crucial when dealing with acid and chemical burns. By following these steps and being prepared, you can help to minimize the damage and ensure the best possible outcome for the injured person. Remember, your actions can make a huge difference. Stay calm, act quickly, and get professional medical help as soon as possible. You've got this. Your quick response can help to save a life and prevent serious injury. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.